Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We're now going for a ride in our 1965 Chevy custom pickup truck. As you can see here, this lovely little pickup truck is customized in its own way. Definitely not like the old school farm truck you used to drive back and forth from school each day. But the one we have here featuring an orange exterior, I know it gives off a little bit of a copper vibe to it, but is in fact orange, as you can see, especially here in the lighting. As you know, this box truck came with a short bed. As you can see, they painted the inside of the bed the exactly same color as the truck, adding that fine wood grain to the center there. Of course, there's more to add on the inside. As you can see, we got that nice customized interior. They do have the reclining bucket seats, customized console. As you can see, they actually have a pistol style shifter. Not a pistol grip like you see in the Plymouth cars, but an actual piston shifter. Other than that, featuring an aftermarket Sony style radio. You have the, I believe it's called LMK custom gauge cluster with the Dolphin style gauges, having an aftermarket steering column with tilt, aftermarket style wheel to look like the original, but you still have the old-fashioned cranks, door panels, and all that fun stuff. Even having an aftermarket vintage air system put onto it. But as we move underneath the hood, featuring a big block 454 engine, definitely the way to go, especially with a truck like this. Of course, you definitely want to take it down the road. You want to show some class. You definitely want to show some power. This is the truck for you. Of course, now we can open it up just a little bit because we are on a private road. As you can see, it did have a little bit of a grab there. It does have a 12-bolt rear end. Definitely when it comes to this kind of car, you want to have something with a strong posi in it. Other than that, you still have disc brakes. You still have power steering. You still have all the wonderful little things you can get with a truck, especially coming from Skyway Classics. But as for now, though, we are just going to get it safely turned around up on the lift, so please stay tuned with us to see the underneath.